Hi people. So one of the prime chapters in the mathematics syllabus for the JEE exam is relations and functions. If I talk about relations, then equivalence relation happens to be one of the most popular topics on which almost every time at least one question is asked in your JEE main exam. And if I talk about functions, that happens to be the base, the foundation of the big fat unit calculus. Please understand, calculus is made up with two parts, integral and differential. And both these parts acquire a handsome weightage in your JEE main exam as well as JEE advanced exam. That means if you really want to score well in the paper, you must have a sound understanding of calculus as a whole. But you know, as they say, that a building with a weak foundation cannot have a long life. And that's why if you want to excel at calculus, you must first excel at functions. And how can you do that? How can you prepare this chapter efficiently? I have a very convenient and easy peasy solution for you. I have attached a link down in the description below. That link contains the entire video playlist for this chapter. Everything has been taught from start to finish, from basic to advanced level. It also contains the notes of each and every session along with the DPPs. Once you are done with the studying and the practice, you can also take tests to analyze your weak areas and further improve your performance. So if you want to take your preparation to the next level, do check out the resources below.